In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export JSON data from Trello. Whether you're organizing your tasks or managing a team's workflow, exporting your board data can be a useful way to back up your information or share it with others. Let's dive into the steps involved in this process. First, you'll need to head over to the Trello website by typing trello.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the home page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account using your preferred method. You have the choice to log in using your email address or, for convenience, with your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and click Login to proceed. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to your Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the section labeled Boards, which you can find on the main navigation bar. Clicking on Boards will display all the boards that you are a part of within Trello. These boards represent different projects or workspaces you're managing. Next, look for the section called Your Workspaces to find the specific board that you want to export data from. This section lists all the workspaces associated with your account. Carefully select and click on the board that you're interested in. Clicking into a board will open it and provide a view of all the lists and cards it contains. Now that your board is open, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find an icon featuring 3 dots stacked vertically, which is commonly referred to as the Options or Settings menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu that will provide you with several different options for managing your board. Within the drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Print, Export and Share. This step is crucial as it exposes various ways you could choose to disseminate or archive your board's information. Finally, within the Print, Export and Share options, you'll see Export as JSON. Click on this option to initiate the export process. JSON or JavaScript object notation is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for both humans to read and write and machines to parse and generate. By exporting your data in JSON format, you'll have a versatile file that you can use for data analysis, backups, or future imports. And there you have it, you've now successfully exported your Trello board data as a JSON file. Be sure to save this file in a secure location to access or utilize it later. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!